Have you ever wanted to make 3D epoxy resin bloom coasters? Well, come on and I'll show you how I did it. So I let my resin warm up to actually 34 degrees Celsius. And then I poured some in that little cup to add my ocean white, Let's Resin Ocean White too, because you need a white pigment paste. And now I'm putting down my alcohol inks in orange and lemon yellow. And then I'm going to mix them up a little bit. And then I will start placing my white. And I'm using a toothpick. And I'm just going straight from the cup to the coasters. And since there's so much being done, you kind of have to go a little fast, not real fast. You just want to be able to get your white in before your resin starts getting too hard. So I'm going to use the toothpick and put the white down, and I'll let you watch. These are the most beautiful flower coasters I have made to date, and I absolutely love them. So I will let you watch. And this is how you put the white in. You just don't want to leave any blobs. So you kind of want to pull the blobs out with your toothpick. Otherwise, when they cure, it'll leave those blobs will stay there. So, but you can do this. I know you can. If I can do it, you can do it. Also, only put the toothpick across the top of the resin. You don't want to touch the bottom of the coaster with the toothpick. Enjoy! let's demold these. I'm dying to see these. It's actually been a couple of days. Alrighty. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. Let's flip this one. Oh, so pretty. Oh. Oh my goodness. They're gorgeous. Oh, they turned out so pretty. Oh, look. Wow. Oh my goodness, those are beautiful. Those are gorgeous. Let's see what this looks like. Let's see here. Oh, I'm sorry. Look. Oh, this is so pretty. I do got one little air bubble there. But, oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. Oh, these are the most beautiful flowers I've made. Oh my goodness. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Love them. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thanks, Aishu, for inviting me to tag along today. I really appreciate it. Thanks, everybody, for being here. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.